All right, so discrimination. What is it, and when is it okay? So, back in the old days of black plagues and rats and stuff like that, the idea of discrimination would have essentially just meant discerning between two things. These days, it's kind of a smorgasbord of a word and it means a lot of things, but if you had to boil it down, it would essentially mean the idea of being or acting biased against a person based upon something they can't control, like a characteristic that they have no choice in. So, at the top of the totem pole, you have race, right? It's the thing that we would generally consider the worst to discriminate against someone based on, because there's no relation between the immutable characteristic and the person's behavior, right? There might be some negligible interaction there, but for the most part, it does not inform their behaviors. Below that, you have things like religion, right? It is like faith in a deity, right? So it's not something you can just say, well, no, I no longer believe in that deity. No, you believe in the deity and you can't really get rid of that. But it does inform your behaviors a lot. You have sexuality, right? An instinctive predisposition, but you also have an action which is informed by the disposition. The instinct does inform your behavior a lot. You have disabilities, immutable characteristic, that does inform your capabilities a lot. So if you're seeing the common denominators, there's basically two metrics that would determine when it is or is not okay to discriminate against someone. There's the idea of to what degree does this characteristic inform their behavior, and to what degree is that behavior benign or toxic. So that's my equation for discrimination. I think if we stick to that, we'll mostly be okay unless some jerk comes along and ruins it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and leave a comment if you like.